Question is from Computer Networks. Okay, the question is that consider the TCP connection establishment phase. We can what can be the value of x, y, z, w respectively. Okay, so in the mainly for the connection establishment phase in TCP, connection establishment phase in TCP, it follows three-way handshake procedure. Okay, it follow three-way handshake procedure. So the diagram will be like this. First, what it will be, one will be the client and one will be the server. So client will send the signal synchronize. Okay, so what it will do, this will open and it will perform the sendings. This will open for the file, for the sending the file, and it will send it to the server. Okay, now this segment is called as, we will take a random value a for this segment, sequence number a. Okay, now in return the server, what it will do, it will return another reply with the synchronization acknowledgement. Okay, it will return synchronization acknowledgement. Okay, and the number is set, and this number will be equals to what? This number will be equal to a plus 1, and it will send one acknowledgement, and for that acknowledgement it will choose another random variable b. Okay, now for this received acknowledgement, if client is satisfied with the given means this acknowledgement, that he has received this acknowledgement, so for that again he will send an acknowledgement which will be b plus 1. Okay, so in the given example you have seen that it is written that sequence number is x. Okay, so where the synchronize this acknowledgement, the sequence number is y and acknowledgement is z. Okay, so acknowledgement is z, it means this is the acknowledgement z. Okay, and sorry, yeah, and this is the y value. This is the y value. For this it will choose a random variable x, and sorry, this is a plus 1. This acknowledgement will be a plus 1, and yeah, this is a plus 1, this is y, and for this one only that they have received b plus 1. Okay, so say for example if x equals to 80, so what will be the z value will be, that is the a, so it will be a plus 1, right? So it will be 81, and then it will again choose a random number for synchronized acknowledgement. Synchronized acknowledgement said that is the b, so b is nothing but y, that is 100. So then what will be the acknowledgement which is sent by the client to the server, that will be b plus 1, that is nothing but w, so it will be 101. Sorry, 101. So the answer will be x equals to 80, y equals to 100, z equals to 81, and w equals to 101. Okay, so therefore the answer is A. Thank you.